Welcome guys to another episode of MRC Got It, Run It. If you're new here, welcome aboard, glad you're here. And that's my little man there, he's going to be running RC2. This series is about being in the hobby since 2006, and we're running some of the older models, whatever I got left in my collection up until the current day. We're going to just do a video, got it, run it. We'll see what it's up to, how it's been holding up. I've had this one for many years. It's got a big brushless system, 4-wheel drive, OFNA, Hyper TT, Truggy, super awesome, super powerful. As you can see, absolutely love it. If you follow my channel, you know I'm a bit of an OFNA fanboy. I have the CRT.5, which was nitro. I converted it to brushless. This is brushless Truggy. I also have the 8-scale buggy, the Hyper 8. Pretty cool stuff. This thing's got enough power. It's taken the rubber off the wheels, so they're all re-glued, and we're gonna rip it around in the parking lot. And if you notice, yeah, there's no tread on those tires. All the pins are off. It's a road ripper right now. It's too fast for the track that I normally go to, so as you can see, she's got some guts, and she can go. And usually with any OFNA, generally rule of thumb is they're pretty much solid, almost bulletproof, very low maintenance, and they rarely ever break. I don't really jump this one or any killer jumps or anything. I have taken it to a skate park, but otherwise I just like to do some road ripping and some road rage, I guess. Not road rage, but you know what I mean. Again, one of the favorite ones in my collection. It's been around for quite some time. It's right up there with my CRT.5, which is also similarly set up, and they're like maybe the two favorite RCs I have in my whole collection. So I'm really glad I could show it to you guys. I appreciate you tuning in to this. I hope you can, I've already got some messages from other people saying they've watched some of my videos on this series and it made them go out and get the old ones, charge the batteries up and run them. I hope it all works well for you guys. You get out and race your RCs on the street, or go to the track, or bash them, or crawl them, whatever you got. So guys, thanks for tuning in again. Take care, peace out, we'll catch you on the next one. Alright, bye bye.